told you if you drop the camera, you're fired.
I'm not even hired. I'm just volunteering.
Hello there. My name is Spade, and we just climbed Mount Everest to find this beautiful machine.
Wow! Look at that.
Now you may be wondering, who the fuck is stupid enough to try to rebuild this? And I'll tell you, it's me. I'm the stupid idiot. So today, we're just gonna take a look at the truck before we move it into wherever the fuck we're moving it to. Gonna take a look under the hood, the interior, the around it. But first, I must do some manual labor. Like killing my cameraman.
I don't think I signed up for that.
You signed up for it. And you signed the contract.
Don't scratch it.
I think we're well beyond that.
Classic.
This hood needs to be refurbished anyway.
Refurbished or replaced?
Probably replaced if we're being honest.
Hey, what if we get all this snow off and we still can't get the hood open because it might be frozen shut?
Damn it!
A little aggressive, don't you think?
Alright. So this truck right here, ladies and gentlemen, is a 1974 Chevrolet K10. It was originally my dad's, then he got a new car, and he left this truck sitting for 16 years. So I don't know if it's even I don't even know if it's salvageable at this point. I'm just gonna try it because I'm a fucking stupid idiot. Let's take a walk around the interior, shall we? Give me the camera.
There you go.
Hey.
Hey, the door looks like it's almost open.
Almost. So, as you can see, it's definitely seen better days. You can also sort of see, it's kind of full right now. You can sort of see like there's holes in the bed.
Mint condition, no rust.
Yeah, no rust at all. Not flaking up at all.
You know, the tailgate looks like it's in excellent condition.
The last time I was registered, ladies and gentlemen, was in 2001.
That's 19 years ago.
That, my friend, is indeed 19 years ago.
But it was sitting for 16.
It was sitting for 16. We recently moved it last fall over to this spot here. It was originally sitting in a tree down that way. But now it's here. In the mintiest of all conditions. What the fuck did he put in here? I did not put this in here. That must have recently came in. But anyway, as you can see, only mint condition here. Look at that. It's perfect. No rust at all. The nameplate's getting a little hanging on by a thread. Surprisingly, I can't move it. I think it's frozen on there. Now, the actual upside here is that the tires are actually not that bad of wear.
You got some nice tread.
But the thing is, they're cracked all hell.
Oh shit.
So,
We'll get new ones.
I don't think it'll be mobile. The bumper, surprisingly, right here is not rusted, like, at all. It looks almost mint. We have all the headlights. The grill could have seen better days as well. Got more rust spots here. So overall, it's a great truck. Camera guy, take it.
I am taking it.
And now for the best part. Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to MTV Cribs. Today. Oh, there we go. She opens. As you can see, it looks like it survived the fallout. Original wood paneling, ripped up seats, anyone. And look at how fucking rusted that mudguard is. That's just gone. But surprisingly, the interior is not that bad a condition. The seats are actually pretty okay. I can't tell you what that is in there. I think it's a fuel tank, isn't it? Looks like a fuel tank.
Yeah.
That's
Yeah.
a fuel tank. I don't know where that came from. That just kind of showed up. And as you can see here on the dashboard, it's all cloudy. And it's been that way for a while. Somebody jacked our radio. Which fucking sucks.
I didn't. I'm sorry.
But overall, I think it'll make for a great project.
Take some tender loving care.
Only a little.
Maybe an entire new body, but
We're gonna see if we can get that. Why'd I close the door? Why am I that one? Now the thing is, I don't know which button pops the hood.
find it.
It's either one of these two. And I'm a little scared to figure out what it does. What do you do? Not what I wanted it to do.
Cameraman cannot see.
Oh, that's parking brake. I don't know if we wanted that. Big funk.
Oh,
You got something. I don't know if this is like a latch or anything on it. I never really know.
I mean, it would make sense that it would.
Makes sense. Does it though? I don't know. You sure that's a latch? Here, you want to hold it down for me?
Huh?
You want to hold down the latch? I'll try to lift it. Because I think part of it is also fucking rusted. Oh shit.
Yeah, that's definitely the latch.
Stand back, stand back. Oh, fucking hell.
I think you might be bending the hood.
I don't know if we wanted that.
Want to brush a little more snow off?
Yeah, probably. Scrape a little bit more ice off.
It'd be nice if we would have done this when the sun was hitting it, but you know, we didn't think that there was going to be a big chunk of snow and ice on there, I guess.
Yeah.
I mean, I guess we...
Definite part of this is that there's just ice everywhere on it. Oh, fuck. Get in the frame, mother bitch.
Hello.
Alright, so bad news. We couldn't get the hood open.
She's going to need a couple days to thaw out.
Yeah, the ice is too thick above and below it. And we aren't Maverick, so we don't have a blowtorch. So we gotta wait a total of 2 days before trying. Yeah, 2 days. Yeah, I gotta fucking
Ish.
show the camera. 2-ish days before we could actually try it again. So we're gonna do that, and then it's gonna be instantaneous for you, but for us it'll be 2 days. We'll be right back after these short messages.
Wow.
There we go. Ah shit, this wind's gonna fuck with the audio.
Hi guys, welcome back to K10 Rebuild.
It's Sunday on Retard Ranch, and we're back with the truck and an engine guy who knows what he's talking about. Hello! So I'm finally gonna pop the hood. The ice has been melted, as you can see. Let's peep this out. Get over to him.
Oh.
Hello. There we go. We got her finally. Only took us like 10 years.
Yeah, I'm 27.
Oh, it's opening. Oh.
Oh wait, hold on, let me get this ice.
Christ.
Woo!
That's a motor.
Alright, you can open it.
I don't think it's held on correctly though, boys. I'll hold it up.
Like over. You got a 2x4 somewhere?
I don't know. We should probably look for something to hold it up.
Ooh. Okay, yeah. We could put a bigger motor in this.
That's the first thing you think of.
Yeah, like 454.
Yeah.
Same thing my friend Jimmy has.
Yeah.
All right, so
So it seems as though we're missing a battery.
we're missing a lot of stuff actually.
Huh.
That ain't right.
A little slight battery.
Slight battery malfunction.
Battery malfunction.
Don't worry, just look it up. I think I will trust these belts actually. Look pretty good.
Look at that.
No way.
We're missing liquids. Just fun.
Oh yeah. You don't need.
Oh
that.
yeah.
Where's the oil in this shit? I don't know where you find the oil in this.
Oh,
right here.
she ain't empty,
Pump-
but she don't.
Pump the
look
dipstick. What do we got?
clean.
We got just the tip of the fucking thing is.
got some-
I'm actually surprised it's still kind of liquidy.
Go.
Wait. Yeah, that's some old stuff. Really old.
Well, yeah,
You
no
can
shit.
tell- no,
It
you
hasn't
can tell.
rained in 17
No,
years.
It's like mixing varnish with oil. That's what it smells like.
Oh no. That ain't a good sign. Love how fucking rusty everything is. It's held by 2 hinges, which is kind of scaring me.
I've never seen anybody do that with the brakes. I don't know if that's stock or not. I'm guessing it's probably stock.
Yeah, it's gotta be. I don't think this truck was ever like fucked with in a way where people were trying to improve it. But I don't remember anyone taking any parts out of it. This is news to me.
Even the spark plugs. Wait, hold on. Let me get up there.
Looks a lot more simple.
Easy Zeph.
Nowadays cars.
Zeph.
Don't.
I'm not
Oh, that's solid. That's solid. Oh no, it's not. Yeah, no, that's.
Oh yeah,
not
we got
solid.
some grime. That's okay.
Oh, beauty.
Power wash that. Well, I don't think the spark plug is seized on to the. Head.
Get some shots from where you're at. I can't get a good angle.
A nice look at the brakes. Interesting.
Oh yeah.
Oh boy. That ain't looking great.
Hey, you can clean that. No big deal.
It'll buff right out.
Slight rust problem. No, that's nothing.
Wait, is that it? Okay. Yeah, we need to clean that.
You think? I'm surprised I didn't see any bird's nests though. I'd expect to be seeing some kind of nest in there.
Hey, it's got AC.
Oh, bro. That's lit.
Yo, no way.
I like that.
Oh, that ain't held on by much. Zach, give it here.
There you go.
Like, oh, fuck. Fuck with it again.
Funny
There we go.
I don't know if that's supposed to happen.
Oh my gosh,
lift
the
it.
AC unit is actually connected.
There's pine cones.
No biggie.
Some
We could
animals
just-
definitely been in here.
We can just, you know.
Got old springs. Oh, that's hard to push. Holy shit. Yeah, we're gonna have to. Oh my god, we're gonna have to look at that. We're gonna be driving down the road. It's gonna be going about 90. And it's just gonna get wide open, like get it stuck. Like help. It starts going. Wait, hold on. Tell me if the pedal actually moved it.
Oh, it moves it.
Oh, we're moving.
We got movement.
Full throttle. Is it back all the way?
Yeah, it's back all the way.
Don't put it out of park.
Okay.
That's the only thing keeping this truck here.
That's some pretty rust on that.
Thanks. If that even works. I haven't checked brake pads on this shit.
Yeah, I would not trust this step side either.
Yeah, no shit.
Oh my god.
Okay, Zach, get some shots.
Might need a little Bondo here. Okay. That's not supposed to be like.
This is his first look at the truck. If y'all didn't know. We're going back over here.
So,
Hello.
this is gonna be a bigger project than I thought it would be.
Is it really?
Hey, the first time you start up, you're gonna have a pretty loud exhaust feedback here.
Why?
Your exhaust is meeting the ground.
Oh, we never really looked under it.
That I knew.
We haven't really looked under it.
If you want to go for those shots, go ahead, but I am getting under this thing.
Let's go check out this exhaust. Oh, I cannot see. Where's this exhaust leak he's talking about? Oh, that's why. I didn't even notice that.
That's the exhaust.
It's
even got the.
That's
Oh, this is the same thing that Rangers sometimes have. Your diff lock? Just turn it.
I'm turning it, bro. Shut up, Mr. Strong Hands.
What do we got in the... Oh,
Do we have food?
there's still stuff in there.
No way. Yeah,
It's even liquidy.
Oh, wow, there
would-
is.
Hey, you want to get this motor on first,
look,
and then maybe do motor swap later on?
Yeah, definitely. I just want to get this truck running. That's the current objective.
Current objective.
Just
Start
it. That ain't moving. I don't think that's moving.
Yeah.
Wait, is the belt rusted on there? Try pulling it.
Oh, yeah,
The belt's stuck on there.
You know how hard it is gonna be to turn this over without, like, a pry bar or something?
We might have to take this out.
Might? I thought that was a given.
You know what?
Wait, is this the kind of... Actually, you know what we could do?
What?
I believe with this truck, this entire front comes out, and we could just
Probably.
use the tranny for the water stand. For a little bit. I mean, we can actually put it on
Yeah.
the water stand too, but I got one at home.
I think this is manageable.
Very.
Okay, so where are we gonna bring this?
I don't know yet.
Still in
Because
the
if you bring
planning.
it, if you bring it to Kyle, it's gonna.
No, it's probably gonna be staying here.
Yeah.
Honestly, we might just like,
Just pitch a tent or something.
yeah, we're gonna probably get like a mini tent thing.
Or we could buy like a portable shed.
Yeah, probably.
Cause then we could heat
We
it in
want
the
something
winter.
on the ground too.
What?
We want something on the ground, like maybe.
No, I mean like the tent goes around it.
Yeah.
It's not like the actual floor.
Yeah, I know, but like if we're working on it in that tent, we're gonna want something on the ground, like wood or something.
Oh yeah.
Oh, yeah,
Yeah,
that's-
it's a given.
Yeah,
Okay.
we can get that done. Probably gonna be putting it like probably right here, honestly, like behind where the Cubs are.
Breeze.
Oh shit! Just throw that back in there.
I gotta save that freeze for later.
it's still usable.
Greetings, motherfuckers.
Greetings, motherfuck. So, this is gonna be the biggest project probably ever, and this is the project I've been hyping on my Twitter, on my Instagram, on everything. We're finally happening. It's finally doing. We're doing it. We are doing it. He's high as balls. Don't tell the cops. Anyway, expect part 2 probably within the next month because we need to wait for the snow to die off so we can pitch a tent and get everything all situated and set up for us. Any last words from you?
Back to Kate.
Alright, cue the outro where Carl dances a party in the USA.
And the Jay-Z song was on. Jay-Z song was on. Hands up, bring my song, fly away. Like yeah, yeah. Hands up, bring my song. It's a party in the USA. That's what I'm told. It's a party in the USA. That's outro material.